You know, God created this world. This world is controlled by God. God set the laws of nature. So Quran is a statement of these laws. In Quran you can find what is the creation plan, how you can achieve your goal, because this is a 50-50 issue. Your effort are 50% and nature plays part 50%. You cannot achieve anything by denying the law of nature. I always say that if anyone wants to deny the law of nature, then he must create a new world, new universe. This world was created by God, and there are some very well-known laws laid down by God. So you have to follow that laws. Otherwise you will suffer. Otherwise you will suffer. So as we have no power to create a new world, so we have to adjust with this world. We have to adjust with this law. So one principle of one aspect of this law is given in this verse. As-sulhu khair. As-sulhu khair means peace is the best. Peace is the best. Now, what is peace is the best? What it means? It means peaceful activism is the best, and violent activism is not best. This is the law of nature. In this world that is created by God, you can achieve anything, but with peace, with peaceful activism. If you adopt violent activism, then you cannot do anything, cannot achieve anything. According to the law of nature, peaceful activism is constructive activism, and violent activism is destructive activism. This is the differentiation of natural law. According to the nature, according to the laws of nature, violent activism is destructive activism, and peaceful activism is constructive activism. So if you adopt violent activism, it means that you are creating destruction. Then it is not possible to achieve any positive result. So you have no option other than to opt for peaceful activism. There is a very relevant hadith. Hadith means saying of the Prophet of Islam. Prophet of Islam has said, "Inna Allah yu'ti ala rifq ma la yu'ti ala al-unf." It means God grants to non-violence what He does not grant to violence. This is like commentary of that verse, that Quranic verse. It means that this world that was created by God, if you want to achieve anything, then you have to stick with peaceful method. God grants to non-violence what He does not grant to violence. So if you want to have any positive result, if you want to achieve something, then you have to stick to peaceful method. You have to abandon all kind of violence. Otherwise, you will be failure. You will suffer.